Cat J-Series tips for excavator and wheel loader buckets come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your specific application. Let's look at what's available and how to remove and install your J-Series tips. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. When you're picking out your J-Series tips for your excavator, consider your application. Penetration Plus tips are a good starting point for balance between wear, penetration, and strength. And there are many alternatives if you're looking for more wear material or greater penetration. As for wheel loaders, the same factors will help you as you choose which J-Series tips you need. The heavy-duty long tip works for many applications, but for greater penetration or more wear material, talk to your Cat dealer or explore the options at parts.cat.com. Position the bucket upward so the tips don't fall off during removal. Line up your tooth pen remover with the right side of the tip. You can order this tool through your Cat dealer or at parts.cat.com. Hammer the tooth pen remover until the pen is released. Now, remove the tip and the retainer. If needed, loosen it by tapping it with a hammer. Inspect the adapter for rust, nicks, or other damage to determine whether to repair or replace it. And to install J-Series, grab your new pen and retainer. Place the retainer on the adapter and then slide on the tip. Insert the pen and then hammer the right side until it's all the way in. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.